Hello everyone, this question is derivative x to the power x bracket power x. I find out right answer. So first of all I can say let y equal to x to the power x bracket x. Now I can say here is y equal to x to the power x times x equal to x squared. Now I use both side ln. This time I can say ln y equal to ln x to the power x squared. Now I can say ln y equal to x square ln x. Now I use both side derivative. This time I can say d dx ln y equal to d dx. Here is x square ln x. Now here is ln y. I can say derivative of ln y equal to 1 by y, and here is y equal to dy by dx. Now here is x square ln x. We know that d dx u v equal to u d dx b plus b d dx u. I follow this formula in this line. This time I can say x square derivative of ln x plus ln x derivative of x square. Now I can say here is 1 over y dy by dx equal to x square. We know that derivative of ln x equal to 1 over x plus here is ln x, and again we know that derivative of x square equal to twice x. Now here is 1 over y dy by dx. Here is x square and x. If I cancel this time I can say x plus twice x ln x. Now I can say 1 over y, here is dy by dx equal to, here is x is common, this time I can say 1 plus 2 ln x. Now I just change the place. This time I can say dy by dx equal to y, here is x times 1 plus 2 ln x. Now if I put the value of y, this time I can say, we know that y equal to x power x square. I put on this value in this line. This time I can say x power is x square, here is x times 1 plus 2 ln x. This is the answer. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.